Book Monster Mitch. This video is about a topic that just randomly came to my head, and I just now want to talk about it. I'm sure a lot of us have seen or read fantasy or sci-fi, science fiction material, whether it be Song of Ice and Fire, that's Game of Thrones for anybody who's more familiar with the show than the books, or Dune, or what I'm reading right now, Sun Eater, Star Wars, countless other movies, books, shows in the fantasy or science fiction genre. Now, the point to the video is like I said, it just popped in my brain, popped in my head recently that, come to think of it, in the fantasy or science fiction stories that are known out there, they talk about dragons, space travel, all kinds of things. Empires and kings, queens, lords, ladies. The one thing, at least, I don't remember ever mentioning, especially in science fiction, is where's the bathroom? Now, that's, kind of a niche or need to know kind of topic. But hey, what is it with space travel or conquering galaxies or other planets and species? At that point, will it be where we just don't talk about our needs when nature calls, or our need to clean ourselves, bathe, shower, what have you? Let me know down in the comments if you remember any mention of needs for a bathroom, whether it be, nature calling or cleaning yourself, bathing, showering, in any books or movies or shows, in the sci-fi or fantasy genre. Now, fantasy might, offhand mention it, but to me, sci-fi doesn't mention it directly or indirectly. Like I said, this is not, something I want to focus on. It's just something that ran across my brain recently, and I had to get it out there. So, thank you. Have a good day, good evening, and I'm signing off. I'll talk to you soon.